Hi, welcome to this video on Java introduction. In this video, we'll have a look at introduction to programming. Then we'll go through the Java programming language. Then we'll write a first Hello World program. And then we'll actually write a program on programmer.com and see how it runs. First of all, tell me something. When your mom wants to get something done, what does she do? She basically tells you what to do. If she wants you to go out to the store and get a packet of chips, then she'll basically tell you to go out to the store, give you some money, and ask you to get the exact packet of chips. So, similarly, if you want the computer program, if you want the computer to do something for you, you'll have to give it a set of instructions. These are the instructions which will tell the computer what to do. So you will give it something as input and it will give you the output. In our example, what your mom told to you was the input, and when you finally went to the store, bought the packet of chips and gave it back to your mom, that was the output which you did. Similarly, you will give something as input to the computer and it will give you an output. Now, try to think of a calculator. So, when you type 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus minus 2 on your calculator, it basically prints 9 on the screen. So, what you typed was the input, and what got printed on the screen was the output. So similarly, for a computer, the program is a set of instructions. These instructions basically tell the computer what to do, and you give some input and it will give you back the output. Now, one good thing about Java is that Java program runs on the Java virtual machine regardless of the computer architecture. So even if you have a Mac or a Windows PC or even a mobile which has the Java virtual machine or the JVM installed, then basically you will be able to run your Java programs. Now, Java is class based and it's object oriented language. These terms might sound big to you right now, but don't worry about them. Just understand it's an object oriented programming language. And because of this, we can come to this point that you can write your code once on a machine, whether it be a Linux machine, Mac, Windows, or anything, and you can run it anywhere. And one important thing to know about is that Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. Now, what you are seeing on the screen might scare you a little bit, but don't worry. Focus on this part. So first of all, understand that every program you write comes under a class. So we are writing our first class as hello. As of now, don't worry about class, don't worry about what is there, just focus. This is the class. Whatever you will write will come under brackets, which is in the class hello. This is the opening bracket of the class, and this is the closing bracket for the class. So whatever will come under this, and your class will have a main method. So whatever your compiler will execute, it will start from the main method. So it will go to your class and it will look for the main method and it will start executing there. Now main is written as this public static void main with string args, these square brackets under brackets of the main, and then your main starts from here till here. Just mug up this line as of now, don't worry about it. It is not as bad as it seems. As you practice, you'll get to know more. So But understand this, whatever execution you want to do, just write it under main. Your compiler will first look for the main method and start executing from there. So now this statement prints hello world to your output screen. So system.out.println prints hello world. So for example, if you want to print something else, say USA, then instead of hello world, just replace it with u.s.a. So let us now actually write this program and run it and see how it looks. Let us proceed to programmer.com. What you are looking at is programmer.com. Here you can actually write your code directly in the browser and run it. So we actually created our class hello, and in the class we wrote the main method. As I told you, anything which you write in the main method is what will be executed. So they have also written system.out.println hello world. Now say you want to print United States of America. You'll click on run. It will basically compile your code and run it. So it has printed United States of America on the screen. Let us switch it back to hello world and we'll run our program. It will print hello world on the screen. So understand this, system.out.println is to print something on the screen, and whatever you write in this double quotes will be printed on the screen. And just remember that you have to write your instructions inside the main. So now let us see that what is written here. They say that you have just landed on Mars. Now you have to modify the program below such that it prints out hello Mars. So let us first try to submit it with hello world and click on test my code. Now it says that the expected output is hello Mars, but our output is hello world. So we just have to edit this to Mars and add an exclamation mark here, and then we have to run it. Just ignore the error. We'll just run it again and it will print hello Mars. That error appeared because I entered some random characters here and the compiler did not understand them. So if I enter again some random characters here and try to run it, I'll get an error that it expected a semicolon. Understand that each statement in Java ends with a semicolon. Now I'll remove this characters and run it. It has printed hello Mars. Now let us submit it. So see, our solution is correct. Our expected output was hello Mars and we have submitted the output. Great, we have written our first program. Let us now summarize what we have learned so far. We have learned that computer programs are a set of instructions, that Java programs run on the Java Virtual Machine or the JVM, that there is a class for each program you write. There is a class and there is a main method residing inside the class, and this is where you will write your instructions. And we also had a look that system.out.println text is the statement which outputs text to the console. And remember that every statement in Java ends with a semicolon.